Did you just finish your virtual assistant course or training, but you don't know where to start from? You have never done any client work before, you don't have any experience, and you are even lacking the confidence to start. Let me tell you something that the fastest way to become a paid virtual assistant is not through paid work. It is through volunteering, and that is exactly what I'm here to share with you. If you're just coming across my profile, my name is Adebi7, and I'm all about sharing tips, resources, tools that can help virtual assistants and founders thrive in their career journey and business. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so now below. Subscribe because I share a lot of tips, I go live and also answer a lot of questions that can help you succeed as a virtual assistant. Now, back to our topic. Let's talk about the real problem you are facing as a virtual assistant who is just starting and who is still trying to figure out how to go about his or her career. Now, most beginner virtual assistants they struggle with a lot of things. One of the things they struggle with is they lack the experience, they lack client testimonial, and they feel the pressure to sound like an expert. Yes, the pressure is real because when you go to the job board and you want to apply for a job, you see experts that are applying with you along with a beginner, and you're like, oh, can I really meet up? Can I be an expert? Then you start giving up. So, and another thing is that clients they want people that have experience. They don't want people that do not have experience. They don't want somebody that have not done any job before. So your certificate does not even help the matter in this situation. And what is really going to help you in this situation is your portfolio and your client testimonial, proof of what you have done in the past. Don't go anywhere. Stick around with me because I'm about to share an interesting thing with you right now. Remember, when I said volunteering, I want you to do something. I want you to reframe volunteering as a smart career move, not a free labor, because you can't just be volunteering for people for free without knowing how the smart way to go about it. So, volunteering is experience without pressure. You know, I told you the pressure is real out there to compete for job. So once you volunteer, you have experience, no pressure. Also, it is a safe place to learn, to practice what you have learned during your virtual assistant training. And one of the portfolio building tool is volunteering because when you volunteer, you are going to practice real life projects that is going to really help you in your career journey. You gain the real virtual assistant tasks, the real results, and the real references. Like, and even when someone is actually writing a testimonial about your work, it is real. So volunteering isn't just working for free, it's working for leverage. You know, you are building up on something. So let's continue. I don't want you to go away because I still have some juicy updates to give you here. So as I said, I want to introduce a platform for you, and it is a good platform that I've explored in the past when I was trying to grow my career. The platform is called Catchafire. Yes, Catchafire is a platform that connects solid professionals with non-profits. It offers short-term reward projects. Like you can volunteer for hours, you can volunteer for 2 weeks, you can volunteer for 1 week, and you can volunteer for like 8 weeks. It just depends on your goal, your objective as well. So I want to walk you through step by step how to use Catchfire as a tool to leverage your career as a virtual assistant. So the first thing is that we are going to visit the cashfire.org and create a free account. So I'll be sharing my screen and show you how I go about it. Remember, I've already created my account with Cashfire since 2022. So let's go. This is exactly how the Cashfire site looks like. So because I have already created my account, you can see my image is showing here. One thing I always want you to do as a virtual assistant is that whenever you're trying to create your account on sites like this, please and please, I'm just telling you this, please don't rush yourself. Take your time to fill the necessary information. For instance, let me show you my profile, how I was able to create a good one. You know, sometimes they will go and look at your profile and they will see that, oh, I don't like the word this person. Is this person really serious? Does the person know what he or she is doing? And don't start an account like a profile. You are creating your account and you pause it, and then you are now looking for opportunities. Nobody will look at your side. You have to do it well right from the beginning. So this is my profile. So let me click on my profile. Now, when you look at this profile, you are going to see everything about me. I added my location, my name. So look at it. I added my biography. Now, what I do here to make it easier for you, I just copy my biography on LinkedIn and paste it. Nothing much. So I copy it and paste it, and I explain what I've done in the past and how I work. I talk about my skills, courses, the kind of people I would love to support. You can see it here: diversity and inclusion, education, health and nutrition, human services, and the likes. So that is the first part. The second part, I had my portfolio link. Then I also had my LinkedIn link as well. So you can try to make a donation as well, or you want to volunteer. So I chose ready to volunteer because I actually wanted to volunteer with them. So the next thing is also to after the profile setting, you're going to add your experience. So you click on this experience part. You had all your experience, people that you have worked with in the past, the kind of work you've done with them in the past, and how you help founders. You can see I added everything that I've done in the past. Just as it is on my LinkedIn profile, I copy and I paste it here in order not to waste my time. So that's why I said if you have your LinkedIn optimized properly, you don't have any issue here. Sometimes they can even ask you as you're just starting to also click on the LinkedIn. You click on the profile and connect your LinkedIn to it directly. So in this case, I just copied everything and I paste because I know I needed to edit some things because I've updated my LinkedIn profile. So next thing is to look for opportunity. How can you find opportunities? So you go to find opportunities. There are many opportunities on Catchafire. We have all virtual opportunities. Those ones are virtual projects. Those are the projects that you can done remotely. You don't need to go anywhere to do it. Then we have virtual projects, phone consultation, written consultation, in-person opportunity, then we have recommended for you. So based on my profile, they can recommend for me. Let me click on that. So they can recommend opportunity for me. So they will just pull out opportunity that they feel that is good fit for me. And that is exactly what we are seeing there. So the suggested one for me, project management plan, help Earth Force NH create a detailed project plan that is shareable with key stakeholder and will enable strong project execution. So I can decide that, oh, I want to learn more about this, then I will just apply for the opportunity. So this is it, what it is all about. It is based in the United States of America. They are into health and nutrition, and they want somebody who can do project management, which is something I have done in the past, and I am a good fit for this based on my experience. So what do they need? They are going to tell you exactly what they need and how many hours you are going to be working with them. Work remotely from anywhere, 10 to 15 hours over 2 weeks. So I'm going to decide if I'm going to do this with them. So they may decide to do an interview with me when I apply. So I will read about the job description. If it's something I can do, then I'm good to go. If it's something I can't do, then I have to skip it. Then after you see the project plan as well, how they want the project to go on, the key deliveries of this project. Then you also learn about the organization, what they are into, you know. This is everything that you need to know. Then if you are saying that this is a good fit for you, you click on apply now. So this project is not available now. Probably they have had more than enough volunteer. So let's go to next one. I'm going to search for opportunities this time around. I'm not going to allow recommendations. So I'm going to click on all virtual opportunities. All partial opportunities. Now, I want to clarify something here for you. When you see this shows courses, this shows skills, this shows type. Now, remember I've already added courses that I want to support, my skills, and the type in my bio. That is exactly what they are applying here. So these particular opportunities that they are showing me, they are the opportunities that is available for me. That is what I'm seeing here. So look at it. And there are just three: project management plan, event concept plan, and event consent plan. So it's three different projects that I can volunteer for if I want. You can see they've also added the project duration 3 to 5 weeks, 3 to 5 weeks, 2 weeks, and they give you more information about the projects when you click on it. But now I want to clear the filter. I want to see all opportunities that is available here. So I'm going to do clear. I want to clear the filter. Yes, I want to see all opportunities that is available. So these are opportunities that are available. We have 22 opportunities available. Organizational strategy, facilitated strategy, website, volunteer manual, website question, French translation, elevation pitch, project management. You can see finance, fundraising assessment. But these are all the projects that are available for me based on my my skills that I added. Now let's go to search all. So you can see search for specific keywords like you want to volunteer as a social media, or let me just use the word social media because there are many branches of social media. So look at it. There is an opportunity of marketing strategy consultation as a social media specialist. So you can set to go for this. You can see be the first to apply. So if you're just starting and you are looking for where to start, you can decide to go for that, and you can search for all opportunity. So I want to clear everything again and see more projects that are available. So these are the projects that are available, and you can see you can just go for what you want, what's related to what you do. If you're a website designer, let's say you can click on website and say it's going to bring up opportunity related to what you do. Website questions. Maybe they need somebody that can help them create a Q&A question on their website, or they need somebody that can help them with a major website update. They want to update something on their website. Then we have tech system. You know, I need advice on which database CRM will be best for my organization. So this is are part of things that you can do. For instance, I can work with this person that says she needs advice on which database or CRM he or she can use for his organization, because I've worked with a lot of founders, I've used a lot of CRM tools. So I can tell you what CRM tool fits your businesses based on the type of business you run, or maybe organization that you run. So I can tell you the kind of website, the kind of CRM that is going to fit in, that is going to be budget friendly and you can upgrade easily. That is what this is all about. So if I click on apply now, so when I click on apply now, I'm going to tell them describe how your professional experience and background qualify you for this tech system phone call. This is just a phone call. You are going to talk on phone. Then also there is an example of how your answer should look like. This is an example of how your answer should looks like. Then I will add my other things, maybe my portfolio or website link, and I click on next and submit my application. So that is how this site works. Now let's go to explore. You can see they are in need of social media content calendar. Now, help Bridges to Science get a social media account up and running with 4 weeks of content, of scheduled content ready to post, and a content calendar template they can use for months to come. You can see this is if you're a social media manager and you want to give yourself an authority, even though you have not worked on this kind of project before, you can apply for this. So I'm showing you other things that you can apply for. You can see we have, if you have digital marketing skills, if you have social media projects, so you can see how you can do social media audit, you know, website question, you can see, and so on and so forth. These are already available. You see social media audits, operating budgets, photo editing. These are simple skills that can help you in your career journey. These are new projects that are available. Flyer designer, if you know how to design flyer and you want to volunteer, yes, these are available for you. And I want to show you something. If you actually volunteer with them and you complete a project, you can share your success on the LinkedIn platform or any other social media platform. And that is all. That is what I want to share with you about this site. So volunteering can open a lot of opportunity for you. I started as a volunteer and I'm still enjoying the benefits now. So I want you to think twice. If you want to apply for this, good. You can just explore the site and see if this is going to be a good fit for your business. If you watch this video to this level with me, that means you are really with me. Thank you for watching, and I'm happy to do more, to share more tips, resources that can help you as a virtual assistant. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to drop a comment what you like about what I do, and don't forget to tell a friend to join my community. I have a WhatsApp community where I share hiring updates, tips, and resources that can help you. I share it in that community, and I'll be glad if you tell a friend to join. Held somebody by the hand, and we are all going to thrive together. So this is how I'm going to end this video. We are going to see more videos related to how you can position yourself as a virtual assistant, how you can create meaningful content. You know, your content must resonate with what you do and it must solve founders' pain points. Every other thing will be shared with you in my subsequent video. So catch up with you later. Bye.